Let's my good news.
लेट्स माई गुड न्यूज। भारत ने चिकित्सा नवाचार के क्षेत्र में एक और ऐतिहासिक कदम उठाया है। देश की पहली मोबाइल टेलीसर्जरी यूनिट SSI MantraM अब उन इलाकों तक पहुंच बना रही है जहां अब तक उन्नत सर्जिकल सेवाओं का पहुंचना असंभव माना जाता था। इस नई तकनीक का उद्देश्य स्वास्थ्य सेवाओं को न केवल सुलभ बल्कि किफायती बनाना भी है। SSI MantraM की सबसे बड़ी खासियत यह है कि यह एक मोबाइल प्रणाली है, यानी इसे आपातकालीन या दूर दराज के क्षेत्रों में आसानी से ले जाया जा सकता है। यह यूनिट एक परिष्कृत सर्जिकल रोबोट से लैस है जो देश के किसी भी हिस्से में मौजूद विशेषज्ञ सर्जनों को रियल टाइम में सर्जरी करने की सुविधा देता है। इसका मतलब यह है कि यहाँ सर्जरी की टीम शारीरिक रूप से मौजूद नहीं हो सकती, वहाँ अब तकनीक की मदद से जटिल सर्जरी संभव होगी। इस परियोजना की शुरुआत एक भारतीय डॉक्टर की सोच से हुई, जिसका लक्ष्य था सर्जरी को सबके लिए सुलभ और सस्ता बनाना। डॉक्टरों और इंजीनियरों की एक टीम ने मिलकर इस प्रणाली का विकास किया ताकि जीवन रक्षक सर्जरी केवल बड़े शहरों या महंगे अस्पतालों तक सीमित न रहें। यह पहल भारत के सर्वजन स्वास्थ्य मिशन को तकनीकी रूप से नई दिशा देती है। मोबाइल टेलीसर्जरी यूनिट की मदद से अब पहाड़ी इलाकों, दूरस्थ गांवों और प्राकृतिक आपदाओं से प्रभावित क्षेत्रों में भी तत्काल चिकित्सा सेवा उपलब्ध कराई जा सकती है। यूनिट के भीतर आधुनिक ऑपरेशन थिएटर की सभी सुविधाएं मौजूद हैं, जैसे सर्जिकल उपकरण, स्क्रीनिंग सिस्टम, रियल टाइम मॉनिटरिंग और सुरक्षित डेटा संचार नेटवर्क। इसके माध्यम से डॉक्टर हजारों किलोमीटर दूर से भी मरीजों की स्थिति को देख सकते हैं और ऑपरेशन कर सकते हैं। भारत में इस तरह की तकनीक स्वास्थ्य सेवाओं में असमानता को कम करने में मदद करेंगी। जहां शहरों में उच्च गुणवत्ता की सर्जरी आम बात है, वहीं ग्रामीण और पिछड़े क्षेत्रों में इसकी अनुपलब्धता अब तक एक बड़ी चुनौती रही है। SSI MantraM उस खाई को पाटने की दिशा में एक बड़ा कदम है। यह पहल नीति आयोग के फ्रंटियर टेक रिपोजिटरी से भी जुड़ी है, जो भारत में उभरती प्रौद्योगिकियों को प्रोत्साहित करने के लिए एक मंच का काम कर रहा है। इस मंच पर कोई ऐसी नवाचार परियोजनाएं शामिल हैं जो भारत को स्मार्ट, कनेक्टेड और समावेशी स्वास्थ्य सेवा प्रदान करने में सक्षम बना रही है। स्वास्थ्य विशेषज्ञों का मानना है कि इस तरह का नवाचार न केवल डॉक्टरों का बोझ कम करेंगे बल्कि मरीजों के जीवन को भी सरल और सुरक्षित बनाएंगे।
From a vision that seemed impossible to a reality that is redefining surgery, SS Innovations has pioneered India's first indigenous surgical robotic system, the SSI MantraM. A system that has already performed over 3,000 complex surgeries is installed in hospitals worldwide. And has given countless patients a second chance at life.
For us, one of the biggest milestones as SSI was not only being able to place our Mantra system throughout India, but also being able to reach beyond its borders. So as we emerged in India, we began receiving a lot of inquiries and a lot of interest about what we were doing here in India and how to replicate that in other parts of the world.
Today, with our tele abilities and technology and high-speed connectivity, we can literally bring the care to these patients. When we talk of the telesurgery, especially in relation to the surgical robotic, itself is a teleoperation whereby the surgeon sits away from the patient and the signals from the hand and the feet are taken through a computer system and controlling the robotic arms and instruments, and so we are able to perform all these very precise and delicate maneuvers and do the operation without making large incisions.
At the heart of SS Innovations lies a sprawling 75,000 square feet of state-of-the-art facilities, each division meticulously designed to ensure optimal production. The company's commitment to innovation is unparalleled, with dedicated assembly areas for each component, ensuring efficiency and precision in every unit.
Traditionally, all the surgical robotic system, most of them are closed console and also robotic arms coming from the single tower. But our Mantra surgical robotic system is an open console and we have the modular system. Apart from that, we have the AI-driven DICOM viewer And not only limiting to that, we have like in a pre-operative and intraoperative application which guides for the surgeons and also the table set staff for the port position placements and also the card placements based upon the patient BMI and in the different surgical procedures.
Because our company and our system was created by doctors, I think that really helped us in propelling our vision forward to be able to deliver something. Because see, as doctors, we also understand what level of safety and care must go into treating every single patient, because ultimately, patient safety and care is paramount.
Built with Indian ingenuity and world-class precision, SSI Mantra is a marvel of modern engineering. Ergonomic, modular, and designed for superior clinical outcomes. But for millions, this breakthrough remained a distant dream. Dr. Sudhir Srivastava, a world-renowned robotic cardiac surgeon and founder of SS Innovations, knew that if robotic surgery could change lives, then it must be accessible to all. Having performed thousands of complex procedures himself, he knew that expertise should not be confined to just a few hospitals or elite institutions.
If you take India as an example, almost more than 60-65% of our population is in rural areas, small communities. So they don't have access to the highest level of care.
So by making available these resources in the tier 2, tier 3 cities within India, what you're doing now is you're changing the migratory pattern of these patients, so that now they don't have to go far outside of their home in order to avail of these services.
The answer was clear. We needed a solution that could break barriers, erase distances, and bring surgical excellence to every corner of the world. And so, SS Innovations set out to change the course of medical history with a groundbreaking technology, Telesurgery.
What SS Innovations has done now, that we have developed the Mantra robotic system with the idea that to be able to equip it with the abilities to do telesurgery.
But now trying to operate on the heart while it's beating at a distance, almost 300 kilometers away.
For the first time in history, distance was no longer a limitation in surgery. In a landmark achievement, SS Innovations successfully conducted the world's first robotic cardiac telesurgeries over 300 kilometers, a breakthrough that is now redefining global healthcare.
And I think I'm very happy and proud to say that we are the only company globally that have a formal regulatory approval from CDSCO, which is the Indian regulatory body, to be able to do not only telesurgery but also teleproctoring.
And those who want to be like open source. I think we look at this sort of open source knowledge sharing and knowledge transfer as part of the evolution of science.
We have an absolute responsibility actually to be able to share knowledge. Because if I look at myself, everything I know somebody else has taught me. It is a moral responsibility that we must teach others. But that's how the progression continues, and you hope your student will be better than yourself.
And with the SSI Mobile Telesurgery Unit, SSI MantraM, training is now reaching even the most remote regions, empowering local doctors with cutting-edge surgical expertise.
We also building the mobile units, especially the mobile bus. So it can also have inbuilt surgical robotic system and it can go to the rural areas and also the remote areas in the country.
So the whole idea was to be able to have this bus go to smaller communities, rural areas, and then because of the high-speed connectivity, I can sit in the bus and operate in any other hospital, literally sitting there. And I think this will be a wonderful thing for our army, for instance, where they are in remote locations.
The power to heal should know no limits, and now it doesn't. And what was once unimaginable is now inevitable. This is the dawn of a new era in healthcare. This is just the beginning. The world is on the brink of a new paradigm in healthcare, where robotic surgery will not just assist doctors but enhance their capabilities, making procedures safer, faster, and more precise. With AI integration, advanced robotics, and real-time remote surgery, the future is closer than we ever imagined. And leading this global transformation is India, a nation that is not just adopting the future of surgery, but shaping it.
The thing that I am most proud of, that this high-tech surgical robot has been absolutely developed by a team within India. So it is truly indigenous, made in India for the world.
India has a huge opportunity not to only make, strides in technology, science, healthcare, but also in new upcoming population of robotic surgeons.
What started as a single dream has now become a movement, a revolution driven by technology, powered by knowledge, and built on a foundation of compassion. This is the future of surgery. This is the future of healthcare. This is SS Innovations. Because when a dream is powerful enough, it does not stop at changing one life. It changes the world.
I believe that although this dream might exist in the distant future, I would be remiss if I didn't say that the future is now.
आप सुन रहे हैं लेट्स माइक मॉडर्न रेडियो। फॉलो कीजिए हमें हमारे सोशल मीडिया प्लेटफॉर्म्स पर। It's time for news. It's time for Modern Radio. Presenting the first radio news app, Let's Mic. Let's Mic, a news-based app on your phone where you get to watch and listen news, talk shows, interviews, radio show podcasts. On Let's Mic, you get all relevant information